What's up, YouTube? Just a quick video to say hi. And all these birds are everywhere. Everywhere, birds. And they're invading our whole street. Oh my god, guys, this is chaos. Birds everywhere. Everywhere, guys. Look at this. Everywhere. Look at all these birds, guys. Guys, this is crazy and unbelievable. Guys, this is nuts. And now there's a car turning. Oh! 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 Oh my god, guys, this just happened. Whoa! Eddie!
There's so many birds. What the heck?
What? Look over there! Look at RJ's house!
Like storming around.
Guys, they came out of nowhere and now they're gone.
They're all on RJ's roof.
They're everywhere.
Now they're on the street.
Now they're over here at Emma's.
They're at the roof of my house.
They're on my front yard. Our front yard was bad. Guys, this is chaos. Who
They're
knew?
at everybody's house.
Who knew there'd be that many birds? Look at that one right there. Who knew there'd be that many?
Crazy.
Yeah, that's not. No. Look at all these birds. Oh my god, they're on RJ's booth. RJ's booth. Oh, that's bad.
Okay to eat.
It's raining birds. It's raining birds from out of the sky. Birds. Why? Okay, guys, thanks for watching that crazy thing that just happened to us. Don't forget to vote and subscribe to Extreme Backyard Trick Shots. Subscribe, like, share, vote. There's our names. There's the YouTube symbol. Now we're teamed up with Patrick Parkway. Addie, say bye. 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 Let's see if this car will hit me. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, car!